Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Siti Masita. I'm from TBI 3C, and here I will explain about my culture, which I am very proud of, namely Rejang culture. The Rejang tribe is one of the ethnic group in Bengkulu and South Sumatra. The people of Rejang area indigenous and the same time the majority in 5 districts covering the Lebong, Kepahyang, Rejang Lebong area, Lebong, Bengkulu Tengah, and Bengkulu Utara. Among other tribes in Bengkulu, the Rejang tribe has the largest population, a smaller. In Bengkulu, the Rejang tribe has the largest population, a smaller population of the Rejang community can also be found in Ulu Rawas. Musi Rawas Utara. The Rejang people in Ulu Rawas speak the Rejang Rawas dialects, which is significantly different from the other 4 dialects spoken in the Bengkulu province. To a lesser extent, there are thousands of Rejang people who have migrated to various cities in Indonesia and abroad. The Rejang people speak the Rejang language as their mother tongue. Although in sub-district towns such as Curup, where the population is balanced between the Rejang ethnic group as a native and immigrant community, there are signs of a decline in the use of this language. The Rejang language is slowly being replaced by the Bengkulu Malay language, which is seen as the basis of the diverse Bengkulu people. The Rejang people generally live in inland area around the slopes of the Bukit Barisan Mountains. A small proportion live in the lowlands and coastal area. The residential areas of the Rejang people will live especially in Lebong, where originally located. In the area around Test Lake, the Rejang people initially live in small group and then gather in lake group called the Kutai. People live around Test Lake with the aim of making it easier for themselves to access clean water. The water is used for menepap, washing clothes, mengucang, washing dishes, bathing, consumption purposes, and latrines. The area around Test Lake is generally flat and suitable for being used as rice fields. In addition, the mountains across the lake are overgrown with dense trees. This forested area is the foundation of the community economy through food gathering activities. Physical characteristics: the original Rejang Lebong people as people who have lighter skin. Their skin is much lighter when compared to the people of South Indians, who are of poor or mixed skins. The light skin of the Rejang people and a number of other tribes in Sumatra is more accurately described as yellow skin than white, like the skin of Europeans. Kinship. The principle of kinship in Rejang Lebong is material kinship. The principle of kinship in the Rejang community is bilateral kinship. Meanwhile, the principle of the heredity adheres to the patrilineal system. Although in the past it was influenced by Minang culture and adopted a matrilineal system, the type of marriage in the Rejang community is exogamy, to determine where a couple will live after marriage. A seat-led determination of residence will be held, which is determined based on the assent consciousness of both parties, male family and family. The old kinship of the Rejang community was an extended family called Tumbang. Usually there are several folks that are related to both Patulai, which other fall because they come from the same distant family relationship or blood ties between 2 families or more are called one ketumbai or one tribe. The principle is similar to that of the Minangkabau, except the Rejang is patrilineal. One village or state is inhabited by several tassel. The Rejang tribe share the language with the same name. Rejang language is the main language spoken in the home or extended family environment. Meanwhile, in public places or when communicating with the community, not Rejang, the language used is Bengkulu Malay. Bengkulu Malay is currently seen as the Basran which facilitates communication between the original people Rejang and the immigrant community. And Bengkulu Malay is a variant of the Malay language when the speaker in Bengkulu province. Bengkulu Malay is known for its similarity to Minangkabau and Palembang Malay, that the Rejang people originate outside Sumatra and moved for reason you know. Sarawak is an area known as the land of origin of the Rejang people before moving to Sumatra. The Rejang language has no relatives in Sumatra. The closest relative of the Rejang language is the Darat Dayak language family in Sarawak, which is classified as the Dayak Bidayuh people. As a member of the Austronesian language family, this language has a number of similarities in vocabulary with regional language, which area different and located far apart in Indonesia. Before to 20th century, the Rejang community still wrote official letter in the one script. Called Aksara Rejang Buak Rikung, Rejang script itself is no better known as the Kaganga letter is taught in school in Rejang Lebong and North Bengkulu district. This script is of the Abugida type and is derived from Indian script. Its main characteristic is the sub-inframarine lines as. Opposite to the wavy Javanese or Balinese script, the influence of the Rejang script into sub-strike and frame lines is said to be an adaptation of writing on wood, bamboo and bones. On hard surface material, curved lines are very difficult to make and as a result curved lines often into sub-strike lines. The term ricum in the Rejang language can mean a skill for cutting grass and or right angles. According to the story, the Rejang script was originally written with sub-tool, including a sickle, the product sub-lines. According to another story, Rejang script is called ricum because the angle are right. Rejang script is 18 main consonants, buak tuai, one real vowel including buak tuai, and 6 double consonant, buak ngimbang, a total of 25 letters. The 25 letters are given either single or double diacritic, marked to product sound or other than a end product diphthong, region and belief. Genuine belief. Not much is known about religious of belief of the Rejang ancestor. The most obvious and important present-day relic for this group, the spiritual or religious expanse of the old Rejang people, are the tradition of Rejang and Kedurai Agung. These two traditions cannot be separated from each other. Rejang is a gun containing crop or food and cake arranged in such a way. It can reach 2 meters in height. Allegedly, Rejang symbolizes the shape of a mountain, especially referring to Kaba Hill, which occupies an important position in the spiritual atmosphere of the Rejang people. Rejang is usually held during the procession or ritual of the great Kedurai Bake. Rejang is an offering to the god worshipped like the great Kedurai. The belief of the Rejang community in the supernatural powers around them has created a dichotomy between Dewa and Nyang and Smart. Dewa refers to the good and Nyang the goddess. It is almost unknown the names of the good and goddesses of the original Rejang tribal beliefs. However, the best known is the goddess of rights or the goddess of fertility. In the old belief of the Rejang people, the goddess of fertility is known as Nyang Serai. To honor the goddess, the people often make offering in the form of slaughtering sacrificial animal, burning incense, or delivering apam. One of the most famous places to make offering is Bingin Kuning in Lebong, the legend of Cry Rock. It is said that these stones often smith water from the rock, and every moon of 14 sorrows. Local residents believe the stream came from Putri Salangka. Once upon a time, there were Rejang Tribal kingdom in the district that had a beautiful daughter, namely Salangka Princess, or also known as Princess Gemanasi because of her beauty. And fortunately, Princess Salangka was married to Prince Gambir gliding from another kingdom. But this matchmaking was opposed by Putri Salangka. Finally, Salangka daughter cried and cried sitting on a rock, which is currently a tourist attraction for hot springs. According to the resident of Putri Salangka, it was on stone that she will lamenting her fate. The term used to describe a statue or worship of the gods in the Rejang language is Batarak. One of most important Batarak places is Kaba Hill. Kaba Hill is totally open to the public. This is area in conference area, and asking permission from the overs at the entrance and reporting the number of climbers is a must. However, based on the Muning Raib story, the Rejang people from Curup Hamlet are prohibited from going to Kaba Hill to avoid reinforcements. In contrast to Dewa or Nyang, the people adore, the smart group is on the contrary very fiery. Either because they have attend fitness or they inhabit certain location in Tanah Rejang. In order of a smart, praying and asking permission before entering a place and or taking something in natural is a must. Permission is done by saying Stabini, Keme Nupang Liwat. Excuse me, grandmother, we are passing by or walking. The types of smart in the Rejang belief includes Sabe, Sebkeo, Siamang Bioa, Sume, and Smart Loud. Several other types of smart serve as venture or wider for a place. The most popular Tunggal Rejang tribe is the Dung Ulo Tujua or seven-head snake, who reside in strong or underwater cave in this lake Lebong Regency. Forest for the Rejang Lama community is a gift from God and a source of livelihood. Process are source of wood, honey, and game. Like other place, the process Imbo usually inhabited by a major. Imagine animals such as emo or tiger. For the people of Rejang, the tiger seen as the incarnation of their ancestor, sacred and cannot be injured or killed. Tigers are seen as older siblings called Datu, Nini, or Puyang. Modern belief today of the majority of the Rejang tribe embrace Islam. There are no official statistics on the number of religious followers in the Rejang community today. Estimates say there nearly of the Rejang community is Muslim. Most of them are not affiliated with any particular Islamic denomination. However, like other Muslim communities in the archipelago, the Rejang community addressed to Sunni Islam with the Safi school. The main Islamic religious and grounds include Muhammadiyah and NU. The minority that is often derided is Sulub, is located in Sukadatang village, which is close to Musir River. It could be said that almost no Rejang people have a religion other than Islam, even if there were no more than a 4,000 people. The extent are Hindu or Buddhist and Christians in the residency area. The Rejang people is generally related to immigrant community who live downtown. The followers of Hindu in Tanah Rejang are generally Balinese, Buddhist is emerged by Chinese descent, and Christianity is emerged by some Japanese and Batak people. Islam is seen as a popular religion in an integral part of today. A culture Islam includes funeral practices, the use of halal food ingredients, and foster a culture of appreciation in Moscow and Italian. Islam thought to have entered Tanah Rejang in the 16th century AD. Masih in this book, the history Sumatra mentioned that Rejang people are Mohammedans, an ancient term for people who follow Muhammad teaching. Islam was introduced by Minang, Banten, and Acehnese who had experienced Islamic first before that. Entry of Islam, it was said that Rejang people had already become acquainted with Hinduism, which was borrowed from the land of Java by the forming festivals. Several festivals are celebrated the Rejang community, as well as Rayo or Eid al-Fitri, Rayo Ajai, or Eid al-Adha, and celebrated around the respective anniversary, as well the communication of the Republic of Indonesia. Very traditional Rejang weapons include a spear called a kujua or kujang, a match called a pitat, a body called a barik, a kris called kris, and a curved barik that resemble a tiger hoof, called of a badak salon imam. The use of matches today is more like compulsory when going to the garden. Parang is used to clear tickets, make pens, cut wood, and open coconut. The use of spear in the parade is increasingly rare, generally used when fishing traditionally in clear rivers. The taste Rejang cookies, general Rejang cookies know 5 flavors, namely egg, sweet, fat, bitter, asin, salty, piiyak, sour, goat, savory, and palgea species. Especially for example, flavor. The first store in lake snake in the form of kiss and snake, which are correctly known jada. The favorite food in the Rejang is lemang. Lemang is very good, and puja asam is very good. I like lemang. Thank you.